Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we're going to do an Asiago Crusted chicken with a creamy tomato angel hair pasta. I'm moving my hands like this because I'm trying to figure out what we should do first. Should we go through the ingredients? Should we go through the recipe card? This is a home chef meal, so it's easy, everything's prepared. What I did before is I cut out some of the prep time, so I prepped all of our vegetables ahead of time. But this whole meal should take you about, with boiling the pasta, which I put on the stove already, it should take you about 35 to 45 minutes. I would say the first thing you should do if you're making a meal like this, start your water boiling, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop our angel hair pasta in there, and then we're gonna start to prepare everything else. So this meal comes with 13 ounces of chicken breast, Italian blend, some shredded cheddar cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, which I minced, some light plain cream cheese, tomato paste, obviously. It came with about 7 portobello mushrooms, baby bella mushrooms, which I've sliced into 1/4-inch slices. And it came with 2 green onions, and I sliced them, separate the whites from the greens. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna make this pasta. We're gonna crust our chicken. Oh, sorry, the Panko breadcrumbs too. We're gonna crust our chicken. We're gonna make it, and it's gonna be wonderful. It's gonna be the best chicken ever, because always we're looking for things to do with chicken breast, right? People eat chicken breast all the time, and this is skinless chicken breast, and you wanna find something nice to do with chicken breast. So today we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna cook it. We're gonna boil our thing. So the first thing we're gonna do, step 1, our water's boiling. I'm gonna drop the pasta in there if you wanna get this done quickly. And then after that, everything else is gonna be quick. All right, so with that, let's head over to our pot with our boiling water. And I'm just gonna show you dropping it in there because the water's already boiling. And then we'll come back and I'll show you how to prep everything else. All right, with that, let's go. So we made it to the end. Everything's plated. You saw how we did it. We have our hot pepper, our Parmesan, our shredded Parmesan treat. We made it to the end. Everything's plated. You see how we did everything. We have our hot peppers here, our grated Parmesan cheese. We have our breadcrumb Panko mix with garlic, and then we have our greens from our scallions. So, and it's plated nicely. Now we just have to taste it. I put the chicken on top, and you have your pasta to the side. I think it will be pretty good. Let's start with the chicken first, because I want to make sure that the chicken was properly cooked. It is properly cooked. Again, just make sure when you're cooking your chicken that it's easy to check the temperature of the chicken, especially once you let it rest a little bit after cooking, but you want to make sure that the internal temperature is about 165. So we're gonna try it. And you also want to make sure you don't overcook the chicken because you don't want it rubbery. Perfect. Listen, the worst thing you can do is overcook chicken breast. When it cooks like this, and making sure that you're not flipping it too often, as you saw from the video. Cook it thoroughly on one side, then flip it, cook it thoroughly on the other side, and you'll have perfectly cooked, not dry chicken breast. I didn't marinate this. I didn't do anything special. It's actually nice and juicy. People always complain about chicken breast being dry, but this is actually nice and juicy. Now we're gonna go to the pasta. I don't normally cook angel hair pasta, but I wanted to make sure that, you know, I gave it a try. So I wanted to try one of these meals. So we're gonna see how this angel hair pasta turned out. Nice, light. Again, the best thing you can do is remember, boil your pasta water early, because that really is what takes the longest amount of time. And then drop your pasta in there. Remember to retain some of the boiled water, because you're going to use that when you create your pasta mix. And again, or your pasta sauce. And again, remember, you can do this at home with just tomato paste and crushed tomatoes. It's not that special, right? You just got to make sure you season it, salt and pepper and things like that. But other than that, we're done. Please hit the like button for the algorithm. Hit the notification bell for new recipes that I have coming out. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel already. And then leave in the comments other meals that you want me to make. You know, I'm glad that you're rocking with me. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this meal. I hope you enjoyed the cooking. And with that, subscribe and like below. Chicken breast meals.
Subscribe right below.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews. Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews everything. Hey YouTube friends, hey YouTube friends and